opposite adjective in Arabic and English. Nahif, thin. Samin, fat. Mumil, boring. Sheikh, interesting. Zaki, smart. Ghabi, stupid. Bati, slow. Sari, fast. Smeek, think. Raqiq, thin, non-human. Zayk, narrow. Wase, wide. Tawilun, tall. Qasir, short. Nahil, thin. Badin, fat. Jamil, beautiful. Qabih, ugly. Qarib, near. Ba'id, far. Sari, fast. Bati, slow. Ghani, rich. Faqir, poor. Kareem, generous. Bakhil, stingy. Sadiq, honest. Kadhib, liar. Sa'ab, hard. Sahal, easy. Khafif, light. Sakil, heavy. Qasir, short. Tawil, tall. Qarib min, near to. Ba'id an, far from. Bard, cold. Sakhin, hot. Rakhis, cheap. Ghali, expensive. Murtafa, high. Mankhafas, low. Khas, private. Am, public. Ala, above. Asfal, under. Nahif, thin. Samin, fat. Barid, cold. Har, hot. Qadim, old. Jadid, new. Sari, fast. Bati, slow. Thakil, heavy. Khafif, light. Na'am, yes. La, no. Aza, turn on. Atfa, turn off. Ijabi, positive. Salbi, negative. Mistakes. Awake, naim. Sleep,